we are expected to evaluate this addition, 617 base 8 plus 545 base 8, and we are expected to leave our answer in that given base 8. So let us get into it, the solution straight up. Yeah. All right, we have to layer these numbers. So starting with the first one, 617 in base 8, added to 545 base 8. 545 base 8. This is the operation addition. All right. The standing rule here is the digits allowed in this calculation must all be less than 8. None of them should be up to 8. So we go straight off from the far right hand side. 7 plus 5 gives us 12. And now 12 is far more than 8, the base. So we have to divide by 8, the base. 8 divides into 12 gives us 1 with a remainder of 4. And therefore, we have to write 4 there and take this one over into the next digit. 1 plus 4 gives us 5. 5 plus the incoming 1 gives us 6. And because 6 is less than 8, it is welcome, and we can write it. Now the next, 6 plus 5 is 11. And 11 is way above 8. So we have to divide by the base 8. 8 divides into 11. 1. Remainder 3. And therefore, we have to write that remainder 3 and take 1 over into the next area. 1 has no other digits to interact with. And therefore, we have to append it. So the answer is 1364 written to base 8. Our final answer. Very simple, and that's actually the option A right there. All right, attached to this video are 2 quiz questions that you can attempt to test your understanding of this video. And you can also take the general test on number and numeration to test for your mastery or understanding of the topic. That is attached to the pinned comment. So click the link in the pinned comment to access the test. And of course, you can study the full video, the presentation of the topic, number basis, with the link attached in the pinned comment. See you in the next video.